I'm Marco Bertamini. I study many aspects of visual perception, especially mid-level vision, shape, grouping, symmetry, and visual preference. Thinking back to my work on perception over the years, maybe I've been scientifically promiscuous, but I can say that I love deeply and sincerely every phenomenon that I've studied, even when I was studying more than one at the same time. Phenomenology is always the starting point of any study of perception. For example, our experience of symmetry drives us to discover it, to attend to it, to include it in our artifacts and artworks. And people have done that well before scientists were able to measure brain activation. Now we can combine these things, identify brain areas, the properties of this network, and how it is affected by attention and by shape constancy. Phenomenology is also the starting point when we study illusions. One striking effect takes place when observers describe a scene with a person and a mirror. Despite what the image shows and our familiarity with mirrors, we have a strong tendency to mistakenly say that the person is seeing her own reflection. Because paintings of Venus provide such a nice example, I call this the Venus effect. Another illusion I discovered more recently is about how we experience an extended texture present both in central and peripheral vision. And small lines become invisible in the periphery when they're part of the textures, although they're visible on their own. Remarkably, we see as non-uniform something that is uniform. I call this the honeycomb illusion. Careful attention to the phenomena can make us discover amazing new things, which then force us to build new theories. The theory and the measurements and the experiments come afterwards. The first step has to be a systematic and careful attention to the phenomena.